same software which provides us some kind of web development environment. I mean the latest version of PHP and MySQL as a database, and also a web server. So we can use this whole this software in our local computer in order to run PHP codes, in order to create PHP applications. So basically this software has the built-in, or you can say the library, the compiler of PHP, which is a language, a programming language, basically a web programming language. So without a server you cannot run PHP codes on a local computer. So therefore it is necessary you need to download it and install it in your computer. So okay, after a little bit introduction about that, now I'm going to tell you the structure of this e-commerce project that we are going to create basically. So the simplest five sections of or this whole e-commerce project will be like this: the website for all. We will create the whole website. You can see over here in our browser this whole website for users, for customers, where they can see everything, the content. And the second part, and the second important part of this project, is the creating the cart and the checkout system. If someone is adding products to the cart, so the cart must be updated and there must be some data. And the third important part of this whole project is the PayPal integration. So PayPal integration is basically PayPal is an online transaction system which we can easily integrate into our applications and into our PHP programming. And the fourth part of this project will be the customer account, or the customer user interface. Basically we will create a complete interface for customers so they can easily manage their accounts and can see their details. And the last part will be the admin panel for this project. The administrator who can manage the whole the website, the customers, and all the things that coming and going. So these are the simple very simple 5 sections of this course or of this project. The MySQL database structure is something like we will be having one database with 8 tables for this whole project, because in order to create this kind of project we need MySQL database where we can save our data or information or text information basically. And for that purpose we will create 8 tables, and the table structure is like this. You can see over here in the list. One table we will create for products, where we will save products, products images, titles, and other data, descriptions and price and things like that. And for categories we will also create a table. Brands will also be in a table. We'll create cart table for saving the the cart details. And for customers we will have a table. For orders we will have a table, and similarly like that for admins and for payments. So these 8 tables will be the part of this whole project. And there might be some other some other tables or anything that we may have forgot over here. So we will be learning and explaining each and everything in upcoming tutorials. So stay tuned till next tutorial.